Welcome to JH. So, you've finally grabbed a Cox V3 Pro. Here are the best tips and tricks to unlock its full streaming power without losing your mind. First, set your resolution to Auto or 4K HDR. Enable HDMI CEC and match the audio output to your sound system, because nothing says high-tech like your speakers actually working. To boost performance, clear your cache and close background apps like you're hiding your browser history. Use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi for smoother streaming, because we all know your Wi-Fi signal is currently weaker than your New Year's resolutions. Third, customize those remote shortcuts. Program your buttons for quick access to Netflix, YouTube, or IPTV apps so you can get to your shows 3 seconds faster. Tip number 4 is to install Flex Vision, Kodi, or Plex to expand your options, and definitely use a VPN to bypass those pesky geo restrictions because apparently, the internet still believes in borders. Step 5 is to plug in a USB drive or HDD to expand your storage and move those bloated apps off the internal memory. It is basically like giving your box a backpack it didn't know it needed. For the real overachievers, we have bonus steps. Enable developer options, use screen mirroring, and pair Bluetooth controllers for gaming if you actually plan on winning. Just make sure to keep your firmware updated so your true entertainment hub doesn't accidentally turn into a very expensive paperweight. Follow these steps and your V3 Pro is officially ready for action, assuming you can finally decide what to watch.